Hi there, students. A dune. Dunes. A countable noun. Okay, a dune is like a hill of sand, a long ridge of sand. So sand dunes, it's made of sand. So if you go to the beach, you may find sand dunes. It's like a long hill of sand. The dunes, you've got sand dunes before you get to the sea. The desert is full of dunes. It's full of sand dunes. Okay, so maybe you wondered why the novel Dune was called that. Well, that's because Dune took place on a planet that was pure sand. There was no water on the surface at all. Okay, so a dune, a hill of sand, either in the desert or normally near the sea. Yeah, you can find dune grass, for example, or you could have a dune buggy. This is a vehicle to drive across the sand dunes, maybe in the desert. Yeah, so you drive across the desert in your dune buggy. A recreational vehicle for going on beaches or for going over the sand. Yeah, so a dune, a mound or a ridge of sand. It's normally formed by the wind blowing the sand, and it catches in one place, and then you get a dune. So I went to the desert, and all I could see were dunes and dunes and dunes, dune upon dune of sand. Yeah, so a sand dune, that's normally how you will find it. Yeah, a ridge of wind-blown sand. So normally the sand in a dune is fairly fine as well. Yeah, it's sort of like a small hill. Yeah, it's quite hard to climb up and down a sand dune as well because your feet sink in. So, a dune. Formality, I think I would give this word a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. And I think maybe it comes partly from the word down in English, but also from the French word dune. Yeah, you'll actually notice this word dune. You find it in French, in duna in Spanish, dune in Dutch, dune in German. I think all these come from duno or dunaz in Proto-Germanic, meaning a hill. Yeah, Proto-Celtic, dunom, a stronghold, a rampart. Yeah. Okay, so dune, it's a word that's certainly widespread through European languages. Okay, so the dunes. Yeah, we walked across the dunes before we got to the seaside. There are some really impressive sand dunes in the desert. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dune.